that's how it's done.
Oh, this dude, you just let all the bacon grease pour right onto the truck bed.
No, I got this on there.
There's a puddle of bacon grease
Well,
behind
I don't. That's news to me.
Yes, yeah,
it's
not
flavoring.
gonna rust. Oh, it's also aluminum.
Well, definitely won't rust. Baking,
won't rust now.
baking grease and aluminum, they seem to work together.
That's a good thing. Bacon grease and aluminum, baby. I love it. Well, they kind of like.
Don't worry about doing tight. You just gotta get
No, I felt like it didn't move that far, but
it moved.
What's that?
It's the gasket. Part of it.
Oh, fancy.
Only the best.
Did we just not know about this kind of stuff before?
We didn't have the budget.
or
We got the cheap stuff that was available.
the probably just follows over at the auto parts store.
Yeah, I think the auto parts store is
Which
Those
Not
are
really
not
for us
performance
anymore.
Cars. Those are for
average street cars. Well,
I mean, it's just for the car that it's in, not for the car that it's in once you hop it up in a supercharger.
right.
You know.
Now we know. Cheap parts are usually expensive parts.
And see, you did that. You got that set up right.
Oh yeah.
You're not using the inch pound or the other one.
You really that worried about it? Nothing in our reach.
You have it at 60.
It's at 50.
No, you don't. Look at the arrow goes down.
I thought it was
Yeah,
just
but
where
I-
it was lined up.
No.
See the bottom number?
You
I see
have it
is
at 50. Yeah. Look at. See how the arrow goes up and then
I
down?
don't see an arrow.
Right. That's 50.
What?
Look at the diagonal line.
Never saw that line. All I saw was a number.
I knew that it was a little tricky to look at, so that's why I wanted to check. Yeah.
It would have been fine.
I mean, it should be pretty easy to do.
Say they're pretty tight already.
1, 2.
Yeah, help me.
Then you do 3, 4. You just do the top, bottom, top,
Yeah.
bottom, top, bottom, top, bottom. For some reason, I needed help to remember that.
Okay.
Mm.
Whoa.
I think it would have been fine.
Sure would have.
Who's twisting?
Engine. All the way out. We were able to do it nice. We didn't take off the water pump. So we didn't have to redo that gasket.
Oh, nice.
Because that one was new. Yes, just lightly snug these so I can
Yeah, as I say, maybe.
We're missing.
Does this have a little flange to it?
Fuji flange.
No, it's got a little.
Give me the
something.
mallet.
It's right behind you.
Where?
No, it was behind Hunter. Yeah, it's right. No, that's the bolt, but okay.
Oh.
There you go. Hey, I did something. I contributed.
We're good.
Hey, keep videotaping, Mr. Contribute.
This one?
There you go. I'll let you do all those since you took them off and know where they go.
I don't know where they go.
All right. Oh, big question. Remember the oil dripping out the back?
Yeah, there's probably the oil pan.
Oil pan.
Oil pan still?
Well, I mean, we bought a.
Oh, where's our new oil pan?
We didn't
We
get
didn't
it.
get one.
Oh, we're getting it though, right?
Maybe.
Just thinking about
Well, I
it.
thought we had to have one because
I
of
was thinking
the
about
cross
adapting
member.
this one.
You what?
I was thinking about adapting this one.
No, what did I?
What?
You're saying the
I
cross.
was talking to Dave. You said you thought we needed one for what?
Well, the old one was hitting the cross member bar in the framing of the gasser built.
Correct.
So that's going to be a dead issue, right?
Oh, we're gonna make sure it's a dead issue. How though? To be determined.
Well, I thought this was figured out. All right, whatever, man.
Don't worry about that.
No, I'm not worried about it. was just asking.
Stay in your lane.
There
bro.
is
Stay in your lane.
there is an oil pan at the speed shop. I don't know how much it is.
It's just probably a few $100.
Yeah, but right now the goal is just get the car put back
No,
together.
I totally
and
understand. So here's the thing though, that trauma that happened originally to bend that thing,
Yeah.
did that? We want to avoid all those things, right?
Yeah. No, I think. Oh
I
yeah.
kind of want to do it again. I want to do another wheelie.
Oh, I'm fine with wheelies. I'm saying the wheelies coming down
Oh, you
on the
just don't
gas.
like the after part.
Yes,
Yeah, no,
I'm
we're
happy
gonna-
with the
we're-
idea
we're
of
gonna
getting
have
off
to-
the ground.
We're gonna have to fix
Where is
that
the oil
before it
pan?
goes back in the car. I don't even know where the oil pan is. It's probably underneath that shelf.
Yeah, it's over.
Were you thinking about cutting it and modifying it yourself?
Yeah, he wants to. cut
Dude,
it,
you could do that.
pull it.
Maybe.
I'm nervous about that.
What's it made of? Just steel, right?
Yeah. I was thinking about chopping it.
Is that steel?
Yeah.
It's
Just
just,
paint it.
well, no, that's a treatment, isn't it?
Yeah. Yeah, this is the new rear main seal.
Yay.
I'll let you do that.
Hey, we gotta make sure when we, now, are we putting the transmission on outside of the car?
What?
We're gonna put it all again and
Oh,
then,
Marriott? Yeah.
yeah.
100% doing that.
Oh,
Way.
here's the oil pan gasket. The intake gasket.
It's like Christmas morning, huh?
Mmm. Well, you can't put on the intake at the moment, but
Why?
because of that dog bone.
Why?
Yeah, we do need, do you have new dog bones?
No,
Give
we,
me a
we found it was
screwdriver.
broken today.
Phil said.
Did you need that? I don't know why you threw that.
He likes to throw
Is
things.
that too little?
I mean,
Is that
it's
too
little, but
little?
it'll work.
I wanted to see something. This is the high performance intake gaskets. Look at how much nicer these look.
They do look a
Wow.
lot nicer.
And look at how much bigger the ports are. So that way it fits.
Jeez,
The
that
bigger-
is so much better.
See how big the ports line up?
So what's the deal with this?
I have no clue. But it's all within the contained
I don't care.
seal.
Oh,
so.
good. Looks
Yeah,
nice.
look at that though. This
Yeah.
is the first time we've had the ports that are the correct size.
Huh.
We've always
All right, here we are back at the engine, and you can see all the work the guys did to get everything back together. And one of the things that Josh is doing right now is modifying the oil pan. So if we go inside of here, we'll see the cross member right here. You see how that looks? So let's go over to the actual oil pan. Right where Josh has drawn that line, you'll see the bump. That is when you come down on a wheelie and you smash the oil pan. So Josh is going to rebuild the oil pan by cutting it and modifying it with his ability to weld.
welding.
He's an artist.
Sounds
dumb to do this way.
Why would we install it knowing that we have to pull it out again?
Because we can pull it out without having to pull the engine.
I don't know if you can.
Why would
Will
we?
it drop down low enough for this thing to clear out of the way so you can pull it out?
Should.
I think fabricating here gives you lots of options.
Veto. I'm gonna do it now.
Okay. Forgot it was the Josh show.
Yeah. We definitely have an oil leak now.
Definitely.
Oh, it's so gross. Dripping sweat. We got no light. With Gary.
Don't go to Gary, Indiana. That's a nasty place.
That at one point was the murder capital of the United States.
Nice.
I don't know if it's still is.
It's up there.
I believe it.
Alright. Well, this is getting there.
You have to, you're gonna check it for leaks? Oh, you got a lot more well in there. Dude. Let's see.
Get like a couple gallons of water or something.
Gallons? Dude, you don't have to check any of my shit for leaks. It's perfect. Let's just put it in.
That makes me want to
Ah,
check it
you
for
suck.
leaks even more.
Thing is tight as fuck, dude. God damn. Alright, hold it again. Am I tightening it or something? No, let's see. Alright, hold it again. There we go. Yeah, that was tough.
Ain't going nowhere, huh?
Well, not me.
You ain't going nowhere. I got you for 3.
Playtime. So it's still recording? We're not doing well. No aspect of today is going so. Where is it?
Hasn't really been terrible yet.
This is kind of the most annoying part. Because it feels like it should be easy. Wow.
So it's supposed to lock.
Totally isn't doing that. It's used. Well used. I want to know where my Sharpie is.
Did you have to put it in your pocket?
I was hoping that was it.
You got so excited doing lines.
Whoa! Don't be saying we're doing lines on this
I didn't
channel.
think of them.
You trying them a little more or what?
No.
Okay.
The way you figure it out is by taking it off.
We're gonna take them all the way off.
No, I gotta take the tool off.
Oh, Josh, hold the motor, man. He needs a hand. He needs your hand.
What do you want me
Or
to do?
if I unscrew this, does the whole thing come out?
Yeah.
I was trying to break the nut.
Just use those.
Alright. Spin it.
A little further.
You went.
Right there, I think. It was about the same height.
drown.
The other way.
Pump it away. That's cool. What is the little cap for?
That's what makes it so it's lined up. Okay. So you want to bring it to that little star? Alright, let's try this again. So spin that way. Where's number 1?
Some goo on there. There's some goo on it.
That's good.
I don't know about that.
Alright. The lubrication. What the?
Does that go all the way?
No.
Not even close.
That is not there.
Here, let's you wanna get on the middle bolt and I'll push down on it a little and you twist the crankshaft. Do you remember us doing that before?
No, but
What was that? Lifters?
What that was?
It sounded like a spring.
Do it again.
Oh.
Didn't sound good.
No, it sounded like something came like a spring. Did something fall off? No. Oh, one of those springs on there.
Oh,
Maybe.
maybe because these aren't all tight.
Yeah, that's all it was. It's just.
That's it.